Today, we're adding a party style multicolor effect, a vibrant and energetic look that instantly gives your video a party or disco vibe. Let's dive in. First, import your video into CapCut and make sure it's selected on the timeline. Then tap on the effects option at the bottom and choose video effects. Now, scroll through the list and open the party tab. Here, search for an effect called colorful and tap on it. Instantly, you'll see your clip transform into a bright, multicolored, flashing scene perfect for music videos, dance reels, or party highlights. Next, tap on the effect again to fine tune it. You'll find two sliders here, speed and filter. The speed slider controls how quickly the colors change. Slide it to the right for faster, more intense flashes, or to the left for a slower, relaxed vibe. The filter slider adjusts the tone and strength of the colors. Increasing it makes the colors bolder and more vibrant. Once you've adjusted everything, play back your video to preview how the colors sync with the music or rhythm. And that's it. You've successfully added the party style multicolor effect in CapCut Mobile. Use it to bring life and energy to your edits. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing tips.